people, and today's my first vlog, well, video. Oh, and today I have hiccups, and I'm going to show you how to get the hiccups out with water, a person, and fingers, 2 fingers. Heart rag. Coffee spoon. Today we're using faucet water because I have no water in my thing over there, but you can't use that. So, which one do? Oh yes. Let's plug it and count 30 seconds while you're drinking water. I can't reach it. I have my mouth open because you can hear it better with the mouth open. Better way. I like that. Bye.